In the Bible, it says there are 4 things in earth that are small, yet are extremely wise. It's amazing that how the Bible uses illustrations that are easy to understand, but they have really profound meanings. First of those creatures are ants. They are creatures of little strength. On their own, they are nothing, yet they store up their food in the summer. That means they know how to plan their lives and make sure that even with their little strength, they do their due diligence so that even in the summer or any season, they are prepared. Second of them are conies or rabbits. They are creatures of little power. A rabbit can just be it's a pet. It needs helping. But the Bible says, yet they make their home in the crags. Rabbits are prey to predators who are stronger than they are. They may be eagles or coyotes, wolves. But if they make their fortress in the crags and the rocks, they will be safe. Then next are locusts. They have no king. Yet the Bible says they advance together in ranks. That their unity is unparalleled. They have one goal and they do it together. And finally, a lizard can be caught with a hand. It's insignificant. Not a lot of people pay mind to it. Yet it is found in kings' palaces. It doesn't matter how small you think you are. If you dwell in the house of the Lord, if you live a life that follows Him, then your significance comes from where you make your home in. I hope you have a great day. God bless you.